In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows Update error code 0xc1900101 and the issue where your update stalls at 40%. Go to Search and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Inside CMD, type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Leave the scan running. Minimize the window while continuing the next steps. Solution 2. Go to Search and type Services. Open the Services app. Scroll until you find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start to make the service run. Click OK. Press W on your keyboard to jump to the W section. Find Windows Update and double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Start to run the service. Click OK. Solution 3. Go to Search and type Change the date and time. Open the Settings page. Make sure your time zone is correct. Turn on Set Time automatically. Scroll down and click Sync Now. Your clock must be correct for Windows Update to work properly. Solution 4. Go to Search and type Troubleshoot Settings. Open it. Click Other Troubleshooters. Look for Windows Update and click Run. Wait for the scan. If you see a Next button, click it and continue. Wait for troubleshooting to finish. After completing all steps, restart your computer. Your Windows Update should now install correctly without error codes or freezing at 40%.